This place just got cool.
Making his way to the ring from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 287 pounds, the WWE Champion, the bad guy, Razor Ramon.
Without question, one of the toughest, and some would say cockiest individuals to ever compete here in WWE.
I think he just tossed that toothpick at you.
No, he missed. Without question, one of the toughest, and some would say cockiest individuals to ever compete here in WWE.
I think he just tossed that toothpick at you.
No, he missed. Remember his incredible ladder match at WrestleMania 10 against Shawn Michaels?
Who can forget that? It was a defining moment in WWE history, and it paved the way for some of the greatest superstars of this era. The Big Red Monster.
And his opponent, from parts unknown, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane.
One of the most sadistic superstars ever to step foot in a ring. A true tortured soul.
Remorseless, cold, and absolutely destructive. The attributes that signify the presence of Kane.
The bad guy, Razor Ramon, is surprisingly agile for someone his size, making it even more dangerous to contend with. Oof! Point of the elbow, nailed it. Using the elbow as a weapon.
Oh my!
Oh, what a boot! Kane in a precarious situation.
I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives.
There's just no way to prepare yourself for the mental and physical anguish you go through when competing in a Hell in a Cell match.
Well, this certainly escalated in a hurry. I don't think any of us expected to see him fall behind so quickly.
Big slam.
Gentlemen, I think we can all agree that we've seen some pretty special moments over the years. But for me, few were more special than getting the opportunity to call the first ever women's Hell in a Cell match back in October of 2016.
You gotta believe this one's over. Ooh, no luck against Ramon there. Recalling that first ever women's Hell in a Cell match, I gotta say, the ovation Sasha Banks received that night was among the loudest I've ever heard, but I didn't remember you actually calling the match. Yeah, that's what happens when you compete in your hometown, Cole, but ovations can only get you so far. And in the end, it was Charlotte walking away with the win, not Sasha. Of course, guys, we all remember when the Hell in a Cell debuted in 1997 and how harrowing the structure looked. But it's worth noting that the Cell has become even more ruinous in recent years. He's expending a lot of energy, so he's got to keep that in mind. Boom, what impact! You know, Corey's point about this gaining some extra leverage here.
Concern for the rules. And Kane powers out.
Not yet. Ooh, nasty
the impact.
He's playing with him now.
Uh-oh. The bad guy's setting up. From way up high. Here we go. Razor's edge. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Let's check this out again, Corey.
So effective, Cole.
He's got the shoulders down.
He wins. I can't believe it. He survived this journey through hell.
Now let's take another look at these guys in action.
That match wasn't very memorable, but the superstars showed a couple of glimpses of doing some good things.
Here is your winner, the bad guy, Razor Ramon, the masked man.
Nice victory here tonight for Razor Ramon.
Was there ever any doubt, Cole?
You know, it didn't happen often, but I can attest, being pinned is humiliating.
And that carnage that we just saw is a lot of the reason why you don't see many Hell in a Cell.